Abilene, a town of 125,000 people once known as a stopping point along cross-country cattle trails in the American Old West, is now stepping into the burgeoning artificial intelligence industry. This shift exemplifies a broader trend. Bitcoin miners are increasingly pivoting towards AI infrastructure, driven by market pressures and new opportunities. On Thursday morning, Houston-based technology company Lancium and Denver-based Crusoe Energy Systems announced a multi-billion-dollar partnership to construct a 200-megawatt data center just outside Abilene, Texas. This facility, designed to meet the unique needs of AI companies, represents the first phase of a larger 1.2 gigawatt expansion. Lancium President Ali Fenn told CNBC that at full capacity, this will be one of the largest AI data center campuses globally, highlighting the accelerating race to power AI development. The Abilene facility aims to enable advanced cloud computing for applications like medical research and aircraft design. Data centers are rapidly evolving to support modern AI workloads, requiring new levels of high-density rack space, direct-to-chip liquid cooling, and unprecedented overall energy demands, said Chase Lockmiller, Crusoe's co-founder and CEO. The synergies between Bitcoin mining and AI infrastructure are significant. Mining companies possess expansive data centers with access to fiber optic lines and substantial power resources across the United States, precisely the type of facilities required for compute-intensive AI operations. Simultaneously, miners are seeking diversification opportunities. The recent Bitcoin halving event in April, which occurs approximately every 4 years, has made generating new tokens less profitable. JP Morgan Chase analysts wrote in a June report that some operators are feeling the financial pinch from the recent block reward halving, which cut industry revenues in half, and are actively exploring exit strategies. The combined market capitalization of the 14 major U.S.-listed Bitcoin miners tracked by JP Morgan hit a record high of $22.8 billion on June 15th, adding $4.4 billion in just 2 weeks, according to a June 17th research note from the bank. Several companies are leading this charge. Bit Digital, a Bitcoin miner, now derives an estimated 27% of its revenue from AI. In June, the company entered into an agreement with a customer to supply NVIDIA GPUs over 3 years at a data center in Iceland, in a deal expected to generate $92 million in annual revenue. It's paying for the general processing units, in part by liquidating some of its crypto holdings. Miami-based Hut 8 raised $150 million in debt from private equity firm Coatue to help build out its data center portfolio for AI. CEO Asher J. Newt recently told CNBC his company finalized commercial agreements for our new AI vertical under a GPU-as-a-service model, including a customer agreement which provides for fixed infrastructure payments plus revenue sharing. Core Scientific, which emerged from bankruptcy in January, has seen a remarkable turnaround. On Tuesday, B. Riley upgraded its stock to buy from neutral and raised its price target on the shares to $13 from 50 cents, citing the company's recent spate of deals with CoreWeave, an NVIDIA-backed startup that's one of the main providers of the chipmaker's technology for running AI models. Last month, CoreWeave offered to buy Core Scientific for $1.02 billion, not long after the pair announced an expansion of their existing partnership. Core Scientific rejected the bid, and the company is currently worth about $2 billion. The Abilene facility, expected to be operational by 2025, is planned to run primarily on renewable energy sources. This aligns with a broader industry trend towards sustainable power sources. Our power orchestration technology is positioned to ensure that mega-scale AI data center campuses can be assets to the grid, not liabilities, Lancium's Fenn told CNBC. Lancium has patented technology that allows it to turn the demand of energy buyers into a sort of dial that can be incrementally turned up or down in as little as 5 seconds. This helps to balance out a power grid that has inherently volatile energy sources like wind and solar power. Lancium's original vision was to bring large-scale loads to locations with the best, abundant renewable energy in order to facilitate the energy transition, said Fenn. For years, Crusoe's work has been virtually synonymous with the Bitcoin mining industry. Their technology helps oil companies turn wasted energy or flare gas into a useful resource. Many Bitcoin miners, with the help of Crusoe, have set up machines adjacent to these sites to capitalize on this cheaper power source. Starting in 2021, for example, ExxonMobil began working with Crusoe to mine Bitcoin in North Dakota. However, Crusoe's Lockmiller told CNBC that AI infrastructure has actually been part of the vision since the company's founding 6 years ago. We're reimagining AI infrastructure from the ground up, from our energy solutions to the design, engineering, and building of our specially designed AI data centers, to our manufacturing capabilities with Crusoe Industries for key electrical data center infrastructure, and ultimately to our purpose-built AI computing stack, he said. In the next 1 to 2 years, Needham analysts estimate that large publicly traded Bitcoin miners are expected to more than double power capacity, including both their mining and HPC business expansion plans. The growing demand for AI computing power is expected to have a significant impact on energy consumption. The Electric Power Research Institute estimates that data centers could account for 9% of the United States' total electricity consumption by 2030, up from around 4% in 2023. This has led to increased interest in nuclear power as a potential solution. TeraWulf, another player in the space, is powering its mining sites with nuclear energy and looking to get into machine learning. So far, the firm has 2 megawatts dedicated to high-performance computing capacity, though it has plans to transition its energy infrastructure toward AI and HPC. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman told CNBC last year that he's a big believer in nuclear energy when it comes to serving the needs of AI workloads. "I don't see a way for us to get there without nuclear," Altman said. "I mean, maybe we could get there just with solar and storage, but from my vantage point, I feel like this is the most likely and the best way to get there." As the AI revolution gains momentum, the landscape of data center operations is evolving rapidly. The partnership between Lancium and Crusoe in Abilene represents more than just a single project. It's a microcosm of the larger shift occurring in the tech industry. As Bitcoin mining profitability faces challenges, the explosive growth of AI presents a compelling alternative. This transition not only offers new life to existing infrastructure, but also promises to accelerate the development of AI technologies while potentially contributing to grid stability and renewable energy adoption. The race to power AI is intensifying, and former Bitcoin mining operations are positioning themselves at the forefront of this new frontier. As these trends continue to unfold, we can expect to see further innovations in energy management, data center design, and the integration of AI into various sectors of the economy. The transformation of Abilene from a historic cattle town to an AI powerhouse may well be just the beginning of a broader technological revolution, reshaping communities across the globe. For more daily crypto news, please leave a like and hit that subscribe button.